Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect iPhone to Toyota Tundra Bluetooth. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your iPhone and opening the Settings app, then turn on pairing mode on the Tundra infotainment system. Stay inside the vehicle with your phone unlocked, select the vehicle name when it appears, confirm any passcodes shown, and allow contacts and favorites sync so calls and audio work seamlessly. Begin pairing by ensuring both devices are discoverable and within a few feet of each other. On the Tundra screen, pick Bluetooth or Add Device and wait until your iPhone lists the vehicle name. Tap that name on your iPhone, confirm the passcode if it appears, and approve permissions for contacts and messages when prompted. Once connected, test audio playback and call functionality to verify a stable link. If pairing fails, first restart both the iPhone and the Tundra infotainment system, then try again from scratch. Clear any old Bluetooth pairings on your phone and vehicle to avoid conflicts, and confirm both systems run current software. If the phone still won't connect, toggle airplane mode briefly, reset network settings as a last resort, and consult the vehicle manual for hidden menus controlling Bluetooth behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.